I think when I came to teach at the school, I'd been a university lecturer previously and hadn't taught senior school English really at all before, and one of my colleagues who was inducting me suggested that I look at MASSOLIT as a place to see resources for sharing with my students, and it was great. I think the school has subscribed to MASSOLIT for several years, and I know that in our department, in the English department, we find it an invaluable resource. It's a great chance for students to hear from experts in whatever text they're studying, and there's always ideas for kind of starter tasks, things to get students thinking in a slightly different way about the text, and I know that all my colleagues use it regularly. That was, I think, my head of department, who is the biggest fan of MASSOLIT of all of us, and she spotted it and thought it would be a really good thing for our English language and literature students to apply for. And I know she particularly likes the fact that there's English language material as well as literature, because that's a popular subject at our school, and it's really nice for girls in studying that subject to be able to access all this extra material about it. I think it was a great chance for them all to either kind of deepen an existing specialism or interest that they had, or maybe sort of turn their hand to something slightly different, trying to sort of think outside the box, outside the curriculum. And they all produced really lovely work, and I think really rose to the challenge, so it was a really enriching opportunity for them. We were all very, very proud of Flo for winning a prize and for her brilliant essay. And it's been a really lovely experience coming up to Oxford, getting a lovely tour, and hearing from everybody else and their fascinating ideas as well. So a really, really lovely day.